Welcome to Smiley Star TV.
Hi kids! Have you ever found a toy and said, "This is a toy"? But when it's your favorite teddy bear, you say, "This is the teddy bear." Why did we use a and the? Let's find out the magic of words called articles. What are articles? Articles are tiny but powerful words. They help us when we talk about things, people, animal, and places. Let's meet our three superstars, A, N, and the. Let's meet A. This is A. We use A when we talk about one thing, but not special one. Only when the word starts with a consonant sound like B, C, D, etc. Okay? Let's see an example. Like, I have a dog. She is reading a book. Okay? Let's meet N. We use N when the word starts with vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U. Like, I ate an apple for lunch. He has an orange. Okay? Let's meet our third superstar, the. And here comes our royal helper, the. We use the when we talk about something special or something we already know. Let's take an example. The book is on the table is mine. The sun is shining brightly. Did you get it? Time to practice. Are you ready to play? Let's fill in the blanks with A or N. Circle the right word, A or N. Let's go. Hello kids! Now let's become grammar fixers. Some of these sentences are a little silly. Can you help me rewrite them correctly? Let's go. Here you go. He gave me a apple and the banana. A apple doesn't sound right. Can you guess the right sentence? Correct. He gave me an apple and a banana. Let's go next. I have a house near an park. Oops. And park? That's need a fix. Correct. I have a house near a park. Let's go next. She is an best student in a class. Wait, it's not an best. What goes with the best? Correct. She is the best student in the class. Let's go next. The sun rises in the east. The east is a direction we all know. Correct. The sun rises in the east. Let's go next. They live in London. And London? That's not right. Let's fix it. Correct. They live in London. We don't use a or an with most city names. Okay? Fantastic job, grammar fixers. You rewrote all the sentences like prose. Congratulations. So, remember kids, use a for one thing, not special. Use an when the word starts with vowel. Use the when it's something special or known. A and the. Now I know what they all be. Great job today. Don't forget to use these magical words every day. Bye bye, superstars.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time for another exciting journey. Bye bye.